Hey, I'm always towing and strapping something down, some piece of equipment. Today, it's my zero turn here, getting ready to go mow some grass, and I'm always experimenting with ratchet straps. I love self-retracting straps because I'm always by myself. I find it much easier to hook and ratchet when I have a self-retracting. So here in my hand, I have these Zatco. These are 2-inch by 10 footers. These have 4,400 pound brake strength and about 1,467 load limit. That would be per strap. If you're not familiar with self-retracting, some people find it a little confusing, but it's really simple. You can pull it out, you can hook it, and I always like to go for the ones that have that clasp, because that way it's not going to fall off. Look how big that S-hook is. Soft webbing so that you're not going to scratch up if you're concerned about that. And then a nice release right there. And you want a nice big handle to strap it down, be able to put the torque on. This mechanism is pretty big. Self-lock. I mean, there's the size of my hand. Look at that. All right, let's give it a try. We're gonna pull it out. I got 10 feet. I'm going to throw it over the top. Now they do come with two tie-down straps. Like on a round trailer like this, there's nowhere to hook. So it's real simple. You just pull those through. And then, like I said, I like the hook. So we can hook that through there, and that's gonna stay there. All right, come back over to this side. Now, what I like is I'm just going to pull up the slack. So I'm just going to press the button, and I'm pulling up that slack. Pull it back out a little bit because I'm going to hook down here. And then bring that up. Make sure that's up all the way so you get your bite in the teeth. And tighten it down. And then we want to release it, push this all the way down. Push that all the way down. And now we're free. Overall, it's a pretty good ratchet strap. The mechanism releases very good. One of them ratcheted really nice and tight, worked fluidly. The second one was a little more wanky. So overall, I think they're pretty good value for what I'm getting. I did a double strap here on the zero turn. Check them out. These are self-retractable, 2-inch wide webbing, 10 feet long. Nice and soft. They do have the hooks I like that crunch in like that and grab things. Overall, you know, I'm happy. We'll see how they go long term and when they start to get out in the weather, if they hold up.